Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Simply Chuck. On this episode we'll be unboxing the VTech Turn and Learn driver. To this tool, we've got the Turn and Learn driver. You can see it from the box. It's for 6 through 36 months of age for infants. Just stick around the box. There are 60 plus songs and melodies, sounds and phrases. Toy teaches daily life, colors, fine motor skills, pretend play. Inside, Turn and Learn driver. Developmental benefits. Let's go down the list. Sensory development, fun melodies, sounds, and phrases. Stimulate auditory senses. Bright colors and flashing lights enhance visual awareness. Imaginative play. Motor skills and language development. So if you want to be able to have a toy that would want to be able to include these, this VTech toy is pretty good. Look at the back. There's more information. It says here there are 2 batteries included. It's for demo purposes only. So if you would want to be able to continue using the toy without any operation disruption, you might want to be able to put in new AA batteries, and you need to put in 2 AA batteries on there. Okay, and we'll test it out in a little bit when we open the box. More information about the toy right here. There's LED lights, 5 colorful buttons, 3 play modes. Play modes are Explore, Animal Mode, Driving Mode, and Music Mode. There's a signal lever, just like the car. Interactive dog, we'll look at that dog, and opposites. Push and pull the gear shifter to learn opposites. Okay. 5 colorful buttons on top right here. We'll see. Right over there. Buttons. And flip side to Turn and Learn driver. Driving to learning fun. And see more information with regards to vtechkids.com. Any questions or comments or information on the left side of that box. You can follow VTech Kids. I'm on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, open the box. Let's put this out. Given it doesn't have any more tape around it. There we go. Alrighty. So it was pretty well packaged. But before we go into it, there's some there's some pamphlets included in the box when we opened it. There's more of VTech's pamphlet, being able to showcase what other toys they have for developmental benefits. You can especially view those. I'll provide a link to VTech's website on link on this description of the video for you guys. And there's another pamphlet right here, user's manual, that we can look into. I'm gonna show off the buttons, how to open it. Sorry for it. Okay. Just put that aside. Look around the toy. Here's a honk button here. Here's the turn lever they were talking about. Side mirror. The dog and the 5 buttons. There were 5 colorful interactive buttons. Some lights here going right, left. 3 modes of play right here, and an ignition. Here's the ignition right here. On the bottom, let's look at this. Some graphic displays right here, and you'll be able to unscrew to be able to secure the batteries in. Is 2 AA batteries. It's pretty well built. I think that dog goes with the. It goes with the steering wheel right here. We can try to open the ignition box. Oh,
the light is green. Let's go.
It's green.
Buckle up, puppies ready to ride. Start the car, off we go.
There's a lever right here.
Fast. Slow.
And 3 modes of play right here.
Music time. Beep, beep, beep. We're on our way. Beep, beep, beep. We're going on a musical adventure.
Let's go see what these buttons on top will do right here. 1.
Buckle up, puppies ready to ride.
Oh.
Start the car, off we go. Explore with the animals.
Cool. Understand what it does with 1. Let's go see.
Birdie.
Birdie, 2,
Pig.
3.
Froggy. Cat. Cow.
Wow. Okay, and then let's try this honk right here. Wow.
The puppy likes to go for a ride. Hooray!
So it's pretty interactive. Each move on the buttons.
The puppy likes to go for a ride.
it'll interact with the kid that you have. It's pretty fun actually. Hit around, turn lever, ignition button right here, starting it on, just like a normal car.
Buckle up, puppies, ready to ride. Start the car, off we go. Explore with the animals.
What we can see also is there's this left and right button, just like a car would have, right and then left.
The puppy likes to go for a ride.
Yeah, so with this toy, it's really interactive, as I mentioned. It goes with a lot of benefits. With this toy, it does have a lot of benefits on it. Being able to help your little girl, little boy, with sensory development, imaginative play, of course, with the driving, motor skills, being able to tactile sensory emotions, and be able to feel actually the steering wheel,
The
the
puppy likes to
buttons,
go for a ride.
and then language development, being able to interact with the voice while playing with the toy. So that does it for today's unboxing of VTech's Turn and Learn Driver. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment below. And subscribe to Simply Chuck channel to see more videos like these. Thank you. Bye bye.